Sit down. Don't press the brake. Just hold this. So it lights up everything. Press the brake and this. And then you wait for it to light up.
Release the brake pedal and the park brake at the same time. And then immediately press your park brake. Once that's all done, you have this orange flashing light. That means you can service your brakes.
See if it works. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this. It works, boys and girls. It retracts. So f it. Where's my glass?
Don't forget to wait, I'm gonna be back in a minute. I'm gonna play out with you, okay?
Okay, baby. 15. Might be a 14. It's a 14. Sorry, dude. Lefty loosey. So down. Brown goes down. No ratchet. No problem. To take all this extra off, to be honest, too. Let's figure it out. Oh, there's zip ties. I need a new rotor. Jeez. Oh, my. Oh, no. Oh. I think I gotta put grease on somewhere. And I don't even know if this one's supposed to go there. So, do I put grease on anything? Where do I put grease? If anybody knows where to put grease, by all means, let me know. I left everything in my other bag. I got the little small one. Size never matters, boys. Remember that. Remember that. Tighten it up. Tighty. Lefty loosey. Son of a bitch, I'm pissed. Son of a. Everything was so good. I just my pinky, guys. It's the only one I got. Oh, guys. Well, for all my folks out there that seen that, next time don't pay too much attention to it. I have a problem, guys, but you're not a real mechanic unless you got some shit over. You got shit, it better be a 10mm socket. Then you're a true mechanic. Be honest, not even sure if it's done, but figure it out. What happened? You guys are crazy. Chris Fix here. Mark's Mechanics here. Back at it like a crack addict. On a Sunday like a fun day. Yes, ma'am. Shout out to Chris Fix for the gloves. Dangerous guy. He's dangerous. In the zone with the slides. My jack is blue. Should I be scared? Oh. Good. Oh. Hello? Chris Fix. Help me. Oprah. Can't look like this. Had a little hiccup there. Righty tighty, lefty loose. You gotta go up this time. Be smart. F your equipment, not yourself. F out of here, Ford. Get out of here, Ford. I need new fuck this is. Let me know down in the comments. Whatever fuck is, just relaxed. Holy, what's going on with you, bud? You alright? You not coming out? You not liking it? You not liking the outside? Oh, shit. Holy, jeez. Somebody has a snake in their boot over there. Yeah, I need new rotors, bud. New rotors to the list. These ain't as bad as the other ones, I can tell you that much. Can Chris Fix even see through that helmet? Does he wear a helmet the whole time? How you guys liking the ride? Nothing no hammer can't fix. Boom. I'm not sure how this actually works. If anybody knows what I did wrong, write it down in the comments. Are you with the strange man over the internet? You're hitting it too hard. I'm not hitting it hard enough. I like it. I like it. Oh, nice. My baby needs new rotors. 1, 2. There's only 5. That's all. Press. Hold until it starts flashing the red one. There we go. Let go. Brake park release. Turn on the car. Everything's back to normal.